Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nikhil Nasta, founder and CEO Eyesight Eye Care and Surgery. So you fixed your cataract surgery, you're ready to go in and get operated. Are you really prepared for it? Let me guide you through a process, what to expect when you're going to go get operated for a cataract surgery. It's a modern day surgery, so we don't really admit the patient. You walk in, you get your surgery done and you walk out the same day. Okay, so what happens when you come in for your surgery is you enter at your given appointed time, come with one relative. We do not encourage overcrowding in the clinic, but one relative who is an adult is necessary to sign the paperwork and to take you back home. After you've done the formalities, there's a consent form. Read it carefully. This has all the explanation of what the procedure is and what can go wrong and what you need to take care of. Once you sign that form, you will be asked to sit in a waiting room where my assistant will come and he'll put drops in your eyes. When the drops are being put, you got to close your eyes, sit back and relax. Let the drop act. This process will take almost 35 to 45 minutes. Just before the surgery starts, you will be given a tablet to eat, and this is to just bring your pressure of the eye a little lower so your surgery is comfortable. You'll walk into the operation theatre, you'll be made to lie down. Before that, you will change your clothes into operation clothes. So we give you a sterile set of clothes to wear with a mask, with a cap. You come into the operation theatre walking, sit over there, lie down comfortably, adjust your head position. You have to maintain your head position for about 10-15 minutes of the surgery. So make sure that you don't tie a bun. You can tie a choti or leave your hair loose. Make sure all your hair is in the cap and you're lying down comfortably so your neck is not strained. Adjust your shirt so that it's not choking you. It should be a little breathing space around here. Don't wear any jewelry to the operation theatre. Remove your watch, kada, rings, everything outside. Don't wear all this to the operation theatre. Please don't put makeup on the day of surgery, and if possible remove your nail polish also so that the pulse oximeter takes good readings. We'll check your BP and sterilize the area to be operated. Put drapes on you. There will be a plastic sheet close to your nose, but don't worry, you will be able to breathe. There will be a strong light in front of your eyes. You got to keep looking into that light, and I'll keep talking to you throughout the surgery, guiding you through the process. Your eyes are numbed with the help of the drops, so don't worry. There are no injections, there is no pain, and there is no patch in this modern day cataract surgery. Once your surgery is over, your eyes may be patched till you get home. You will walk out of the OT, change into your regular clothes and go home with all the instructions. Wish you a very happy recovery and thank you for choosing Eyesight Eye Care.